How to redeem 16-digit V-Bucks code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem 16-digit V-Bucks code. The process is pretty simple. First things first, make sure you have your Fortnite account all set up and ready. If you don't, head over to Epic Games website to create one. Once your account is all set, go ahead to the Fortnite website or open the game itself. Look for the V-Bucks tab or the store section. Once you are in there, you should see an option that says something like redeem code. Tap on that and further enter your 16-digit code in the text box you see there, and finally hit the submit or redeem button. It is as simple as that. So this is how you can redeem 16 digits V-Bucks code. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button. Comment if you have any queries and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.